Hi everyone, welcome to K2 Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can install child theme in your GeneratePress theme. So let's check how you can do that. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. Let's first install the main theme or the parent theme of GeneratePress theme. So as you can see that I have clicked the add new button and let me install the GeneratePress theme here. Now after installing the GeneratePress theme, let me just activate this and let me just view this site as well. And as you can see that GeneratePress theme is installed. Now let's check how you can install the child theme. So why you need to install a child theme? So child theme helps you add custom function file to your theme so that if you update your theme, then it will not delete from the theme file. So child theme helps in that purpose, or you can use a code manager plugin as well if you don't want to use the child theme. So here in this tutorial, I will show you how you can install the child theme for GeneratePress. So after you install the parent theme in your WordPress website, let's install the child theme. So for this, you need the child theme file. So for this, I will go to the official documentation of GeneratePress theme. As you can see that they have shown the instruction on how to install the child theme. And they have given the option to download the child theme. So let's click on here, and you can see that the GeneratePress child theme file is downloaded to our computer. So we just need to simply upload the file and activate the child theme. That's it. That is how simple it is. So what I can do is I will click on add new here, and I will click on upload theme, and I will choose that GeneratePress child theme. So this is a blank child theme, so you will not get any styling, and it will give a simple function file for you. So let's activate it here, and now let's go to the front end and let's refresh this page. And as you can see that there is no changes in the main theme. That's because all the stylings and functions, JavaScript and everything is inherited from your parent theme, but the child theme help you edit your code. So as you can see that GeneratePress child theme is installed here, and if you go to the theme file editor, you will see this option GeneratePress child theme. So let's click on I understand, and as you can see that there is multiple options. You can check the parent theme code here. So if you change anything, then it will break your theme site. So make sure to use a child theme. So if you use a child theme here, then if you do any changes, then you can easily delete all the code from your child theme, and it will not affect the parent theme of your website. And here you will see two different options. One is style.css and one is function.php file. So if you want to put any custom function to your website, then you can put it here as well in the function.php file. And if you want to put any CSS files, then you can put it on style sheet, style.css. And if you are not using any style sheets, then you can also block that from loading in your front end. So they have also shown how to do that. So simply just use this function.php file here, and you can easily put it in the PHP here main function. So if you put this here, then this style sheet style.css won't be loaded in the front end. So in this way you can block that style sheet or style.css file from the front end. And if you want to add your custom CSS file, then you can leave it like that. So let me just update it here, and this is how you can install a child theme in your GeneratePress theme. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.